It's a STEAM day, science, technology, engineering, art, and math. And today we are going to be using some math and some science, okay? We're going to be making snow. That's right, snow. So what you need for this is some baking soda, some shaving cream, which we just used this making some puffy paint not too long ago. And you need a measuring cup and a little bit of water, and then I have a little bowl that I was mixing with. And I have an apron. Good idea to wear an apron. I have this on a tray, so I kind of have it all contained. So what you do is, Mrs. Mann already went ahead and has been doing some experimenting. So what I did is you need equal parts of both. That means the same amount. So I started with a half a cup of baking soda and a half a cup of shaving cream. So then you mix it with the fork, and then I eventually started mixing it with my hand, and you might want to add a couple of drops of water, but this is the fun part. This is the experimenting part. If it's not working, it should kind of pack together like really soft Play-Doh. And if it's not working, add a little bit of shaving cream, add a little bit of baking soda water. You just play with it. That's what STEAM is. You try, and if it's not working, then try something else. So I have it made here, and it sticks together. It's really, really soft. So you play with that at home, and then once you have your snow, you get to play. So what are you going to do? Can you make some tracks in your snow? So I'm going to spread my snow out. And then I'm going to I'm making tracks with my fingers already. I can see my finger pad tracks. But you might have little animals where you are. And see if you can make footprints in the snow. I did it! Yay! Footprints in the snow. So your STEAM challenge today is shaving cream, baking soda, a little bit of water, and try and make some snow. Is it going to be sticky snow? Is it dry snow? Is it packing snow? You get to decide, because you get to make it. And maybe you want to make something else with your baking soda / shaving cream mixture. So have fun with your STEAM today. Lots of science going on. What happens when you put the ingredients together? How does it change? Smells too. Lots of things to discover in today's STEAM. So have fun.